see that in this chapter, subtraction in large numbers without borrowing. Such type of situation arises. Other situation also arises when there is question of borrowing. Okay, so let us come to know at the, suppose we have to subtract 3 from 7. See here, if we have to subtract 3 from 7, naturally we will get 4. So there is no question of carry. That is why it is written subtraction in large numbers without borrowing. Now see, in this chapter also we will come to know about the difference without carrying. See, I taught you earlier about the subtraction, and in the same process you have to do the subtraction where there is no borrowing and the subtraction when there is borrowing. The same process is repeated. Now see, just I solve few questions regarding subtraction. Suppose a question arises here that find the difference. See, find the difference, or a question arises before us. Subtract 78,519 from 1,23,418. Now, just we have to subtract this number from this number. That means this number will be written at the top, and the number which is subtracted from a given number, that is written at the below. Now, mathematical operation solution, how can we do? Right here, solution. Okay. And we have to do it. So, write the bigger number first, 1,23,418. And just we have to write here 78,519. See, children, maximum children do some mistake while solving or while writing the numbers. Just we have, because here you see that in the first number there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. But in the second question, in the second number, there is 6 digits number, 2 to 4 to 6. Naturally, a number which contains more digits, more numbers of digits will be bigger. So, bigger number will be written at first, and the smaller number will be written at the below position during subtraction. During addition, you may write any number, any place. There is no restriction. But in subtraction, if we have to subtract two numbers, naturally the bigger number will be at the top in the column, and the second position or below position will be the smaller number. Now put minus sign here and start our mathematical operations. Now see here, from top we have to subtract the below number, means 9 is subtracted from 8 because 8 is smaller. Just we have to carry from the side digit, neighboring digit. Now see, we have to carry 1 from here. It will be 18. And if there is already 1 and we have taken 1 as carry, naturally here it will be 0. Now see, from 18 we have to subtract 9. Naturally we will get 9. Now see, from 0 we have to subtract 1. From 0 any number cannot be subtracted. That means we have to borrow, we have to carry from other number, and this just we have to carry from 1 and it will become 10. Now this digit will become 3. Now see, from 10 we have to subtract 5. Naturally we will get 5. Correct? Now see, no, sorry, because the digits, sorry, Again, just we write here by keeping some distance, because just we have to see that which type of operation is being done during subtraction process. See here. Now 78,519. So see, as I taught you earlier, that during subtraction we have to subtract the below number from the above number. Means 9 is subtracted from 8. 9 cannot be subtracted from 8 because 8 is smaller, 9 is bigger. So naturally we have to carry from the neighboring number, carry 1 from the neighboring digit. Now see, 1 is carried from here, now it will become 18 and it will become 0. Okay, now from 18 we will subtract 9, we will get 9. From 0, 1 cannot be subtracted. Naturally we should carry here 1. Now it will become 10. From 10 we will get 1, we will get 9. Now from 3, 5 cannot be subtracted. 5 cannot be subtracted from 3. Again we have to carry here. It will become 13. It will become 2. Now from 13 we have to subtract 5. We will get 8. Now from 2, 8 cannot be subtracted. Naturally we have to carry again. It will become 12. Now from 12 we have to subtract 8. We will get 4. Now see, from 1, 7 cannot be subtracted. Again we have to carry from here 1 and it will become 10 and here it is 0. From 10, if we subtract 7, we will get 3. Now our result is 34,899. This is our required result. So in the same process you can do the subtraction. I taught you earlier how to do the addition of given numbers. I also taught you that how can we solve the word problems very easily and most accurately. At a few home assignments are for you as a home assignment. Some questions are there. See here. Few questions are there for home assignment. Now you have to solve and send me next day for correction. Now see, these are also for you for home assignment. Now the same, fill in the blanks with correct digits. Just I solve few questions. At first I solve the first question. How can we fill up the blanks correctly if there is subtraction? If we have to do the subtraction, see here. At first let me write the number. Let me write this. See here. Here it is written 8. Here it is 7. Here it is 6. Here it is 5. 6, 5, 4. Now see, a blank position is there. We have to fill up. 5 is written here. A blank empty space. 4. Here also empty space. Minus sign is put there. And here it is written 3. Empty space, 1, empty space, and again 2. Now in the blank we have to fill the given number. Now see, because there is question of subtraction, naturally we have to what we put here so that digit will be subtracted from 4 and we will get 2. Naturally this 2 will be subtracted from 4, we will get 2 as a result very easily. Now see, the same process, because the fill in the blanks is already in the answer, naturally simply you have to do the subtraction. From 5 you have to subtract 4, you will get 1. Now see, 6, from 6 you have to subtract this one and you will get 5. Now see, same process you have to repeat. From 7 we have to subtract 5, we will get 2. Now this 3 is subtracted from 8, we will get 5.